Hi, what's up guys? Today we'll be visiting the mechanic and the video starts right now. There, so the bike doctor, you know. The man himself. Yeah, man, everything there. Today we are.
Put the black one with the red one.
What we are do to the bike, doctor?
They are going to fix some bike, you know? It's a 250 Jamco.
And what we are do to engine?
It have a disease. You understand? It a leak oil. You can call it blood.
So when your body a leak blood, what you do to it?
Check the doctor.
Alright. Yo!
Welcome to the doctor, you have to tell themselves at times.
Yeah.
Go on, listen.
So basically, I've been experiencing an issue with my bike where every time when I give it like maybe quarter throttle, it starts to kind of, what do you call it now? It starts to bog down or to lose power, or it creates some kind of sound, some muffling sounds, like it's not getting enough gas or something like that. So me being the type of guy that I am, you know, I like to do a lot of research. So I did some research and I asked some other persons, you know, some other mechanics what could be the cause. Some say it could be the spark plug. Some say it could be the valve seals. Some say it could be the piston rings, and you know, other stuff. Someone even told me about an electrical issue. So basically, what's happening is my bike, it for some reason every time I put a spark plug in the bike, the spark plug gets burnt up. Like as instantly as me drop in the spark plug, it gets burnt up. So I spoke to one of my mechanic friends and he was like, it could be the piston rings, because once the piston rings get too worn, then basically too much oil gets into the cylinder, and all of that oil and gas mix actually, you know, some mechanic stuff. I can't explain all. But basically that's what happens, and it messes up the spark plug, and when your spark plug is messed up, then you're gonna lose power, you know, with your bike. Now with me, I lose power in about quarter throttle, so that's when you barely open it, so that's when you're barely cruising. So every time when I'm cruising, my bike, it bogs down and it loses power, but when I really open it up, you know, there's nothing wrong, it's fine, because I'm more of a cruiser dude, you know. So now I'm taking the bike to the mechanic to get that sorted out, and I'm taking you guys on my journey today. So I really hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. Don't think I will be narrating for the most part, but I really hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any questions, remember the comment section is always open to any questions, and no question is a stupid question, alright? I would like to learn more, so if you know anything about what could be going on with my bike based on my explanation, go ahead, drop a comment. Remember to always leave a like, and if you found the video educational or entertaining or whatever, remember to always share with a friend. Alright, thank you guys very much. Continue watching the video. Love and support. Big up everybody with your support. Blessings always. Bless. Perfect. Yeah, what you say?
We out here fixing these bikes, you know?
Interview.
Okay. You know that, bro, God. Okay.
Yeah.
Me and Sus God, one of a kind, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to do it because you don't know if we get to you what have to live up.
Oh, man, I move so grimy.
This is my brother bike. Dad.
You know, Kaka. It's bust up in part, right? That's it.
DJ. DJ keys, okay, DJ? Yeah.
This 15 minutes.
So we have
10 span, let me 10 span about.
Yeah, put
Let me 10 span.
Insta.
No man, on YouTube.
I put it in mechanical.
Yeah man. Give him some business, you know. I won't put this up number, call him, you know.
Alright, that I go on DJ.
Look, man. Smell that one?
Lock up, man. Take time, Kyle.
Yeah. See it there? And come back and that me. Okay, I'm talking this. Oh. Someone have T4 tire. Gas. You know, turn it out. Eh? You see it? No, tell me.
Kaka police?
BI are shooting.
Kaka. They are police.
You pass one jackpot. Can't take back the valve in here.
Yeah?
Can't take back the valve.
Oh.
The valve in? Brand new CMA.
Yeah.
That's how you buy from the PISTON.
God.
Hold now, I feel it. Right.
Bounty.
You feel it?
Yeah, man, it have a weight, man.
God.
Blouse and skirt. Not a good battery at all.
See what I just come up to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You did it when I do it and I laugh.
Yeah.
Because I rev and bike, but I'm a gear down there.
Yo. Oh, you see in there, you free, I mean. You see me have it there is by Kaka. Can run up, but you see me have it 250. But I second yourself, man. Can you know, I'm not play with it. I need some good people over there.
Them boy that thing is rev it.
I rev it fine. Can't see how fast bike and I can't run that. You know, which is more into. Because not feel. But you see me easy yourself, man. I'm really boy. take time, you know that, take time. I didn't feel like a funky guy.
Healthy. Healthy. Oh! Whoa!
Me just feel happy like say me get a visa today.
Exactly.
Get down. Nice Sunday.
Are you here, Ramon? You okay, so I'll see
Because I'm happy. Clap along.
Kaka, next time a man like that come to you, don't tell him what to do to fix him bike. Bounty killer. The man not have.
Yeah, see?
Happy or fat.
The man in my right part, I hit a baffle, you know? Yeah. Right, you see bike lock off right, you say the bike. So no man, go to the doctor, man.
Right, they say lock off, eh? New piston head. A piston all by itself, though. Oh, this Yende. Permission to video you, sir?
Sure.
Old piston.
Piston,
Eh?
Nah.
What? What you see them? The ring them.